What's up everybody? In this video I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open your Facebook like this. Next click on the top of the screen on the menu. Click on settings and privacy and settings. So right now you will find this page. Just click on Meta Account Center and click on Manage Accounts. Next, click on Account Ownership and Control. Go to Deactivation or Deletion. And right now you should click on your Facebook account. Click on Deactivate account. Click Continue like this. And click Continue again. And add your password and click Continue. And that's it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.